Have you noticed? People sign up for an app, but then get stuck. They don't know where to click, what to do next, so they leave before even getting started. It's not that your product is weak. It's that your users need guidance. They don't need long manuals. They need a helping hand from day one.
Meet Page Pilot, your in-app guide and onboarding assistant. Create easy step-by-step onboarding tours for new users. Highlight important buttons with smart tooltips. Share quick updates through banners. Give soft nudges with floaters. Collect feedback instantly, right inside your app. All this without writing a single line of code. With Page Pilot, users onboard smoothly, learn faster, ask fewer questions, and feel confident using your app. Page Pilot. Simple onboarding. Happier users. Start today.